National Reserve Goloseevsky. It's a rather big area, big forest inside the area of Kyiv, by the way, and Kitaevskie is one part of it. So, but the big minus of this area is that it requires very urgent reconstruction, because there is inscription that it's forbidden to swim here, to fish here, to make fishing here. Why? For example, at the beginning, at least I saw at one of the ponds there is an open sewerage, yes, just and with very bad smell, and this water flows to the pond. I don't know why, because you know this is area of Kyiv city, and why local authority doesn't take care of it, frankly speaking, I don't know. As also we see a lot of dead wood, dead logs lying here, and nobody take it out. So I was here for the first time, and I think that it needs investment from a mayor, from the municipality, because generally you can make this natural reserve, this park, very excellent, but it needs some effort. Why it had not been done up to now, I don't know. Okay, there is a stairs and which navigates you to the Kitaevskie caves. It's the holy place of Orthodox, because during 300 years some monks had lived in this caves, but these caves were closed. Because you know, I think it was in bad condition. Yeah, there was inscription: today caves are closed, but I think that today it's for many time. For example, from another side of the building, I was absolutely disaster. Yes, and I understand why these caves are closed. But at least from this hill there's a very nice observation of the nearest monastery. Yeah. The video was made in January 2023 during Ukraine-Russian war, and I hope when the war will be finished, this area will be reconstructed. It will be very excellent place to have the rest.